Mike Phillips, autoforge.net. We're introducing a brand new product. This is the McKee's Xtreme Water Spot Remover Gel. This is a safe acid, and what it's for is for taking water spots off of paint, plastic, and glass. Now, normally you wouldn't want to do this in full sun, but the reason we did this is you're going to see in the B-roll, I've got the sun coming down and it's actually showing you the water spots I'm going to remove. And we just wanted to do it in the same sun so we could show you the after with that sun, showing how they are actually removed. Okay, so now you could machine polish this. I'm just going to take a clean foam applicator pad, and you can see it's a real nice thick gel. Okay, so it's not a thin runny water. And I'm just going to apply this on here, and you want to let this sit for a minute and let it do its thing. And we could machine polish this, but the problem you run into when you machine polish anything that's next to a canvas top, especially a black top, is you risk throwing splatter dots of product everywhere. Then when you go to clean it off, chances are you're going to tear up the fiber, and that's a big no-no when it comes to canvas tops. Okay, so I've spread this on there. Okay, so it's been a few minutes now, and you can let this actually dwell for 3 to 5 minutes. You just want to let it dry on the surface. Now I'm going to take and wipe it off. And one of the things that the B-roll shows is it shows a heavy concentration of water spots right here by the edge, but they're actually throughout the entire glass. They're just more accumulated by the edge. And my guess is because when you're washing a car like this, it's easier to work and wash and clean the big areas than it is to get really close to where the cloth is. Okay, then I'm going to use a little bit of glass cleaner to help me remove this, and also it will neutralize the water removing gel. And the water spots are now gone. And you can get this product up at autoforge.net. And it's a good idea to keep this in your car, keep it in the trunk in a secure place, so in case you get caught in a situation, maybe you're parked at someone's house and a sprinkler goes off, it's always better to remove water spots sooner than later. Again, autoforge.net, get your own bottle, get the water spots off the glass, off the paint, off the plastic.